Hi class, let's take a look at example 2. Now, this is a trick on actual integrals that contain some sort, and I'm saying some sort of a, because you could have many scenarios, and in this case, some sort of a sine and technically a cosine. And they're typically going to have the same argument, in this case, the 2x value. Now, your first attempt should be to see if you can do a u substitution and then reduce the integral to a value that we recognize. If that doesn't work, then you're changing the signs to the fifth into sine squared. So you may have to change some of the signs into cosines by using cosine squared plus sine squared is equal to 1 or some other identity for the problem. So in this case, this is the basic idea. So we're going to do a u substitution or try to do a u substitution. So let u equal to, and I'm going to let u equal to the sine of technically 2x. And what I'm trying to do here is somehow express this integral as a value to the power, or a u to the fifth in this case. So then you're going to have that the u is equal to the actual, well, in this case, that would be 2 cosine. So this is going to be 2 cosine of 2x dx, or du over 2 cosine of 2x is equal to dx. Now, let me rewrite it. And in this case, actually, I could just say equals. This is equal to the actual integral. And this is now a u to the fifth power times the cosine of 2x. And then you're going to have the u over 2 cosine of 2x. And same idea as what we review with the u substitution. You want to express all of these integrals in terms of the u, and they should be in simplest form. In this case, I'm just going to extract the 2, and I'm talking about this 2, so we can express it with the values of a half. And this is now 1/2 integral of u to the fifth, technically du, which is just going to be 1/2 times u to the 6th divided by 6, plus the constant, which is just equal to 1, in this case, 1/12 u to the 6th plus c, or in this case, sine of 2x divided by 12 plus the values of c. And this is to the 6th power. So sine of 2x raised to the 6th divided by 12 plus c. That would be our actual final answer for the integral.